Sending a Pardot list email. First, go to Marketing, Emails, New List Email. Name your email and click a template that you have preloaded or skip. You can change the information in your email here. Then go to your text version and sync from HTML. The text version of your email goes to email providers that do not accept HTML. You can preview your email here to see how it looks with your personalization. And you can send yourself a test email here, or send a test list if you want to see how your emails look with dynamic content and personalization. Next, go to Sending. Select the segment that you would like the list to go to. Any suppression lists. The sender. This can either be a general sender, or the assigned user / lead owner, or the account owner. You can select a custom reply to address where you would like replies to go to, or if you leave it blank, it will go back to the sender's email address. Edit your subject line and add any completion actions you need here. Now you can either send now, or you can schedule to send at a later time. Make sure you check your time zone before scheduling, and you can hit schedule here. If you would like to send immediately, you can always click send now.